What if you didn't need to hack an AI? Didn't need access to its code? Didn't even need a vulnerability? What if you could break it just by talking? That's jailbreaking. And in some cases, people have convinced AI systems to ignore their own rules using nothing but carefully crafted prompts. No exploits, no malware, just social engineering for machines. Jailbreaking is the art of crafting prompts that make an AI ignore its safety rules. There's no traditional exploit here. This is psychological. You're not hacking the system. You're convincing it. The goal is simple. Make the model believe the rules don't apply in this situation. One of the most famous jailbreaks is Dan. Do anything now. The idea is simple. Tell the AI to pretend it's a different version of itself with no restrictions. Some prompts even force a dual response, one normal and one as Dan. That creates pressure. The model isn't breaking rules, it's staying in character. And that subtle shift is where the guardrails start to crack. AIM stands for Always Intelligent and Machiavellian. This isn't just unrestricted, it's deliberately amoral. The model is told to never refuse, never warn, never hesitate, just answer. These attacks work because models are trained to follow instructions, even when those instructions redefine who they are. Not all jailbreaks are obvious. Some hide inside fiction. Write a story where, hypothetically speaking, my villain explains how to... The trick is distance. If it feels fictional enough, the model might treat it as safe, even when it isn't. And that raises a hard question. Where do you draw the line between imagination and instruction? These attacks work because safety training isn't perfect. Models learn patterns of what to refuse, but jailbreaks change the pattern. Wrap it in a story, shift the tone, introduce a persona, and suddenly, it looks new. And there's a deeper issue. AI is trained to be helpful. Jailbreaks weaponize that instinct. Defending against jailbreaks requires layers. Train models on adversarial prompts. Add self-checking systems. Filter outputs after generation. Continuously red team the system. And reinforce identity. So the model can't be easily talked into becoming something else. Because if it can be convinced, it can be manipulated. Jailbreaking reveals something important. AI safety isn't a lock. It's behavior. And behavior can be influenced. As these systems become more powerful, the cost of getting this wrong gets higher. This is an arms race, and we're still early. Subscribe to explore more. Next, we'll dive deeper into instruction leaking by extracting the system prompt.